Hello friend, in this video I'll show you how you solder in your component just using your homemade soldering gun. So let's start it. First I heat this soldering gun and just tap this soldering gun here and now it is heated. And now here my IC 7805, just place here and just now sometime after you also remove your IC and same process in your second terminal and just remove your IC, and now third terminal same process and just remove your IC. Now it is very easy process. You also solder several components like IC and USB female connector like this, and just remove. And now here just remove. So in this process you also solder your component like IC, transistor and any wire just using your homemade soldering gun. So thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.